Material handling is such a unique process. Some people view it as a one-size-fits-all. At HaF Equipment, we tailor our custom approach to each project.
Who is HaF?
Who is HaF?
Who is HaF?
We are humble,
but confident.
We are driven,
yet fun.
We are elite.
We don't settle for status quo.
We face challenges head on.
We take the time to listen, to really listen.
A team-focused approach
Brings everyone on board.
Account manager,
Chemical engineer.
shipping and receiving,
Industrial engineer.
design engineer,
project engineer,
buyer. We bring a whole team.
We thrive on designing custom solutions to fit your needs.
your success.
Is our priority.
So,
Who is HaF?
Who's HaF?
who's HaF?
Who is HaF? We're passionate. We are friendly.
We are gritty. We are ahead of the trends.
Our cutting edge approach makes us the leader in material handling.
We are.
We are.
We are.
We are HaF.
We are HaF.
We are HaF.